Beyond being a high-performance SUV, the 2026 Audi SQ7 makes a bold statement about the fact that family cars can be entertaining in addition to being functional and comfortable. A technical marvel, the Audi Q7 combines the brand's signature three-row SUV with a fresh function and an array of cutting-edge amenities. With its unique blend of striking good looks, potent engine, and practicality, the new SQ7 is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The 2026 Audi SQ7 is a huge improvement over its predecessor, sporting a more aggressive and contemporary look. An expansive single-frame grille featuring distinctive hexagonal bars and a striking high-gloss black coating takes center stage on the front fascia. The car's new HD Matrix LED headlights are more integrated and have a slimmer design, giving it a futuristic vibe. The most striking aesthetic change is the new carbon package, which is available on all trim levels and gives the vehicle a sportier appearance with carbon fiber accents, like mirror housings and side sills. The new SQ7's 4.0-liter biturbo V8 engine is its beating heart. It now generates a strong 500 HP and 568 lb-ft of torque. Equipped with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, this power plant allows the SQ7 to reach 100 km/h in a mind-boggling 4.1 seconds. The optional S-Sport package, which includes a dynamic rear differential and active roll stabilization, is what really makes an impression. When combined, these characteristics make the car more agile than its size would indicate, improve handling, and reduce body lean. The 2026 SQ7 continues Audi's tradition of excellence in vehicle lighting. The high beam's range and intensity are both enhanced by the optional Audi laser headlight technology. The new organic light-emitting diode taillights, which provide 4 different light signatures, are the most remarkable advance. Because of this, drivers can express their individuality through the vehicle's design, making it a unique and beautiful work of art that serves as an added layer of protection. The cabin of the 2026 SQ7 is an oasis of artistry and technology. The new MMI touch response system is more intuitive to use because to its integration with haptic feedback, which is included within. With the Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch high-definition screen shows the driver important information, such as the special S performance mode. The cabin becomes a concert hall with the 1920-watt Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system, which features 23 speakers and optional 3D sound. Additional leather upholstery and a Dynamica headliner are part of the optional luxury package, which ups the ante on extravagance. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what you think of the 2026 Audi SQ7 in the comments below. See you next time.